Grade 9, Subject Physics, Chapter Work and Energy, Module 3. Objectives: to define potential energy, to classify potential energy as gravitational potential energy and elastic potential energy. Potential energy. Suppose a brick is lying on the ground. It has no energy, so it cannot do any work. Let us lift this brick to the roof of a house. Now, some work has been done in lifting this brick against the force of gravity. This work gets stored up in the brick in the form of potential energy. Thus, the energy of a brick lying on the roof of a house is due to its higher position with respect to the ground, and if this brick falls from the rooftop, it can do some work in breaking the window panes or somebody's head. Now, let us define potential energy. The energy of a body due to its position or change in shape is known as potential energy. Potential energy is of two types: gravitational potential energy and elastic potential energy. Gravitational potential energy. The energy of a body due to its position above the ground is called gravitational potential energy. Elastic potential energy. The energy of a body due to a change in its shape and size is called elastic potential energy. For example, we put potential energy into the rubber strings of a catapult by stretching them. This energy is used to throw away a piece of stone. The gravitational potential energy as well as elastic potential energy are commonly known as just potential energy. Here you can see some of the energy changes. Potential energy changed into kinetic energy, and together we can call them as mechanical energy. A body may possess energy even then it is not in motion. The sum of the potential and kinetic energies of a body is called its mechanical energy. A flying bird, a flying aeroplane, and a man climbing a hill all have kinetic energy as well as potential energy. The potential energy of a body due to its higher position above the earth, and it is equal to the work done on the body against gravity in moving the body to that position. So, to find out the potential energy, we have a formula, that is W is equal to mgh or PE is equal to mgh, where m is mass of the body, g is acceleration due to gravity, and h is height of the body above a reference point, say the surface of earth. Now, let us do a problem. A bag of wheat weighs 200 kg. To what height should it be raised so that its potential energy may be 9800 joules, given g is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Here potential energy is given as 9800 joules and mass is equal to 200 kg and g 9.8 meter per second square. We have to find the height h. We have the formula PE is equal to mgh. Now putting these values in this formula, we can write it as 9800 is equal to 200 into 9.8 into h. That is h is equal to 9800 divided by 200 into 9.8. H is equal to 5 meter. Thus, the bag of wheat should be raised to a height of 5 meters. So, in this module, you have learned about potential energy and gravitational potential energy and elastic potential energy.